Mabuhay! Maligayang pagbati! Ako po ay si Sharwin at maraming salamat sa iyong pagbisita dito. So I usually start off my videos in English, but I started off with Filipino because this is August. This is our celebration of Filipino Language Month. And that's why I thought of making a Filipino recipe. So today I'm doing a cooking video of a version of adobo that I cooked while I was staying in Chicago in the United States. That's why I'm calling it Stave St Adobo, because I was staying in a place on Stave Street. Alright, so this is a different kind of adobo because it is called adobo sa Dilaw or yellow adobo. And you know what? I'm a little bit biased, but I gotta say, I love this version of adobo. Alright, check it out. So that is my recipe for Stave St Adobo. So this is my version of adobo sa Dilaw or yellow adobo. You know, it's always best to use fresh turmeric, but you know, if you don't have it, you can always use powdered turmeric. And the reason why I used apple cider vinegar and cabbage is because that's such a normal Western thing, right? To combine cabbage, pork, and apples. And that's why I put them together, but this time as an adobo. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well, plus that little bell notification, and that way you will never miss any of my cooking videos or any of my K-drama review videos. I also want to tell you guys about my book, The Gospel of Food. It's available in all national bookstores all over the Philippines, and you can order it on anvilpublishing.com. You can also buy it on Shopee and Lazada. All of the links will be down below. And if you're not in the Philippines, thanks for watching. You can get my book as an ebook. Just go to any ebook platform, type in The Gospel of Food by Sharwin T, and it should be right there. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section what other dish you want to learn. If I can cook it, I'll make a cooking video out of it, and that way we can cook it together. Also, if there's a K-drama you want me to review, just give me the title and I'll see if I can watch it. In the meantime, you can watch my other videos right now.